Oh my God, I want to talk about गोरा and काला thing. Brides, ना उनकी मॉम, अरे मेरी बेटी को थोड़ा और गोरा बना दीजिए. अरे यार ऐसे थोड़ी ना confidence आएगा. She should be confident in her own skin.
This is Seema Vikas Gadia. Well, today's episode is a special International Women's Day edition where we are celebrating women who turn passion into profession.
Makeup, this thing was not very appreciated in the family.
Of course.
I still remember people calling, अरे क्या parlor का काम you're doing.
I'm from a creative background.
Right.
तो मुझे accounts, taxation, किसी के बारे में भी कुछ पता नहीं है. But you won't believe it. Whoever is good at what, I sit with them. I just talk about that subject and I get the clarity about this subject.
I've seen so many young people जो अपना job छोड़ देते हैं. Just a disclaimer here for everyone. If you have to pay your bills and if your family is dependent on you, what's your most expensive product, Raj?
So I think my saris and jackets are the most expensive.
And they're priced at?
So 2 hours makeup will take like 3 hours or 4 hours if there are more people, because there will be a lot of disturbance.
Right.
And you know the person is moving here and there. मेकअप कर रहे तो you know she's like talking to her friend, हाँ कैसी हैं आंटी. और कभी कभी तो मम्मी जी आ गई तो उठ के पैर भी छूने पड़ते हैं. South Indian makeup for a bride is more difficult because the difficult part is waking up in the morning. A lot of people think हाँ यार मेकअप है ठीक है सीख लिया हम पैसे बना लेंगे. बट दिल्ली में जाइए, एवरी पर्सन इज अ मेकअप आर्टिस्ट और अ फैशन डिजाइनर. एक साड़ी बनने में इट टेक सो मेनी वीक्स और समटाइम मंथ्स. सो पीपल ऐसा फेंक देते उठा के.
Gen Z are smart, are intelligent.
They are
people.
smart.
They just need direction sometimes.
आई थिंक दे क्रिएटिव ऑल्सो,
They're very creative.
बट बस थोड़ा सा थोड़ी चाबी
Tweaking
भरनी
चाहिए.
पड़ती है उनको.
So I'm just 4'11" and a half. My height. वो height को मैंने अपनी weakness को छोड़ा. अपनी strength क्या है उस पे work किया मैंने.
But still, there are a lot of girls and women जो they give so much onus to how they look. I'm fat, I'm thin, I'm fair. So people उसकी वजह से confidence lose कर देते हैं. Say, okay, I can't do this. So any piece of advice you want to give on this Women's Day?
आई थिंक women को सपोर्ट करना चाहिए, जेलसी हटा देना चाहिए. एंड इफ वी स्टार्ट लाइक अंडरस्टैंडिंग ईच अदर, आई थिंक वी कैन लाइक विन द वर्ल्ड.
A lot of women, they have a lot of ideas. Yo, I want to do this, I want to do that, but they're scared to take that first step. So what would you want to tell them?
Very important part of our life. Every woman should know about this.
This is Seema Vikas Gadia, and I welcome you all to another inspiring episode of Ask the Expert by Gen Online, where we bring you insights from leaders shaping today's industries. Well, today's episode is a special International Women's Day edition where we are celebrating women who turn passion into profession. No shortcuts, no privilege, but with consistency, courage, and conviction. In this conversation, we are joined by two women who built their careers from ground up, challenged stereotypes in their respective fields, and created impact through creativity and discipline and, of course, purpose. Our first guest started out as a trained designer, stepping into the professional world and quickly realizing that creativity without purpose wasn't enough. With no big budgets or factory setups, just fabric scraps, strong design instincts, and a belief that waste could be meaningful, she began building from scratch. That journey grew into a conscious fashion and lifestyle brand rooted in Indian craftsmanship, zero waste thinking, climate action, and spaces designed with meaning. Joining us today is the founder of ADOS and a voice in sustainable design long before it became fashionable, Rajni Jajodia. And of course, our second guest comes from a very different world. A stable corporate job, a typical Indian household, and a life that looks secure on paper. But the pull towards creativity, independence, and building something of her own was stronger. What began as passion for beauty, weddings, and self-expression turned into years of showing up, learning, and redefining what it means to be a makeup artist. Today, she's among Bangalore's most in-demand makeup artists, admired for her modern, aesthetic, strong work ethic, and the trust she's earned across generations. Joining us today is MJ Gorgeous. Welcome you to wonderful, incredible
Thank you.
women. Well, honestly, I must say that was an intro that can inspire anyone. But for me, why this particular session is very, very special, I'll tell you. I've seen the two of you. And I've literally witnessed your journeys, you know. It was like from scratch. It was a bootstrapped company, you know, the two of you. And it's very interesting that you didn't really have a backup, right? This was out of passion, but the way the two of you have blown up your business ventures, incredible. And I think this entire podcast is for someone, you know, all the women out there, don't miss out on this, because these stories will definitely inspire all of you. And of course, also men, I would want to say, you know, who want to see their mothers, sisters, daughters thriving. There is something in for you. So again, welcome Rajni, RJ as we call her, and of course we have the gorgeous MJ as well.
Thank you.
So yeah, should we get started?
Yes, and thank
And
you
I
for
hope you're
amazing
excited too.
intro.
Yeah.
RJ, let's start with you. So, you know, you come from this, I think you have a very interesting story. You come from a small town. And I really feel there's some spark about these small town girls. I can relate and resonate. And of course, you moved later to a bigger city and a NIFT graduate,
Yes.
right? But tell me something. Where did this design enter your life? You know, were there people or surroundings early on in your life you felt, this is interesting, this is something that I need to do?
So I tell you, Seema, when I was in my hometown is Chaibasa, which
Chaibasa.
which is near Jamshedpur.
Okay.
One day my grandmother was just giving one odhana, you know, that odhanas we have in Marwaris. So she was giving it to a cow person.
So it's a CT, right? Odna, or something that you use.
We use it for our traditional odhanas.
Right,
we
right.
have
It's like
that
a dupatta
veil,
and
yeah, that's
got
a
it,
veil
got it.
which we get in our marriages
Right,
and all. For
right.
all our traditional things, we use that. So it was just a little faded and little toned out. So grandmother was just giving it. Is a tradition in that days that when cow person comes, na, they adorn the cow
Acha.
with that. So
Okay.
there is a tradition and there is a thing called Gopastami.
Okay.
In that time they used to go. So when my grandmother was keeping those heaped of odnas to give away to the cows, so I told, Ma, don't give these to the cow person. I want to do something out of what. Then she told, what you will do with all this? No, Ma, don't give it. I will do something. So Seema, you won't believe I made a very nice top and a skirt out of that
Wow.
from a local tailor. And when I was wearing it, everybody was like, wow, this is so beautiful. So I think from there I started that thing. I saw something in my mother's and grandmother's wardrobe. There is some craft, there is some textile which it was all pulling me actually.
Right.
So from there I think that first thing was like started.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So from childhood, you had this
Yeah.
great influence, and lovely. So MJ, a mirror question for you as well. See, you have been someone who also comes from a traditional family. Of course, education, working, all that was there, but you still had boundaries, right? But you were very clear about one thing, no matter what, financial independence is non-negotiable. So it's such early on in life, you know, where did this clarity come from? Is it something that you experienced or you witnessed or something that you deeply believed in?
Yeah, so I was always good at arts, very good in sketching, painting, all kinds of painting. I used to like fashion a lot, and also, you know, using my mom's makeup, chupke
Right.
se, all those things. Since I come with a family background, like my dad is IFS officer, now he's retired. So एक society में pressure रहता था that you need to score really well. In beginning I was good at studies, but in between, yeah, it became average. बस पास हो जाओ एक वो रहता था, you know,
Correct.
because studies में इतना interest नहीं आता था. Then later, anyways, I eventually like developed the interest. I did score well in my, you know, post graduation, everything. वो सब हो गया. But ये जो makeup, this thing was not very appreciated in the family.
Of course.
So I still remember people calling, "Arey, kya parlor ka kaam, you know, you're doing?" So the parlor work was, "Arey, yaar, parlor is something different and makeup is something different." I used to tell them all the time. But now people know because of so much of, you know,
Awareness,
internet में इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं. So whenever I used to like see someone doing makeup, in movies, everywhere. So I used to feel, yes, I can do this. I didn't know I'm going to make a career out of it. या इससे मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं था कि पैसे भी कमाते हैं या नहीं, nothing.
Okay.
I just wanted to just do that कि ये मैं कर सकती हूँ. So one day I got to know, okay, makeup artist is earning this much.
अच्छा.
I was like, okay, this is like a good amount, like per session. That time, like some
Right.
20,000 or 15,000 or whatever it
I
is.
remember during my wedding it was 25. It was
Yeah.
Gauri Kapoor.
Oh my god. So yeah, so वो सुन के I was like, okay, Gauri Kapoor, by the way, she did my cousin's that time makeup, so
Right.
that got me inspired, and she is a very popular artist that time. So I was like, okay, I can also do this, but money was not that kind of a criteria. But first vision was I want to be a business lady, like I want to do business, and I'll see what I'll do, but first I'll learn this skill. So that was it, the first thing to start and learn
That
makeup.
gave you
Yeah.
that kick and awesome.
Yes.
Lovely. So it was not money wasn't the driving force. It was more about creativity and passion.
Yeah.
All right. Interesting. So Rajni, I want to ask you this question. You know, sustainability is like the word, right? Everybody's talking about it. But you know, you started it like really, really long. I mean, it's not that it wasn't the buzzword back then, right? But honestly, I want to know because I've seen your house. It's beautiful. How did you look at, you know, that piece of discarded material and feel, yeah, इससे कुछ meaningful बना सकती हो ना, something nice? Because if I would have seen that piece of cloth or that scrap, I would be like, क्या करेंगे इसका? I mean, रद्दी में डालो, literally, you know, that would be the first instinct. But what actually made you think, no, I can create something out of this?
So Seema, designer word was a very thing that कि glitch glam से ही वो relate करते थे.
Correct, correct.
So people never thought कि designing will be like कि अगर कुछ चीज बच गया है, there's something left over, we can design with that also.
Right.
But I don't know how I saw that potential. I think I will just tell you this story, very interesting. That I had this thing here, I used to meet people. When I came to Bangalore, I started meeting people and just see what they do, what. So one day I just made a good friend of a furnishing store person, and then eventually it made me ki they belong from the same place where my husband is.
Acha.
So somewhere that connect was happened, and we got along very well. So then they opened another store. Then they invited me. So I went there, and then while browsing everything and all, I just saw there is in the corner there is a small store in which heaps of like blue bags are kept.
Okay.
So out of inquisitive, I asked auntie like, what is there, auntie? What is that? So she told कि जो रजनी last year to last year के जो swatches होते हैं जो previous years के, that is no like not required right now for us, so we discard it.
Right.
So बोले क्या मुझे inquisitiveness में मैंने जाकर ऐसे ही देखने लगी, and it was so beautiful textiles, इतने बड़े बड़े pieces थे, वो they were like brocade के, velvets के, and they were beautiful.
Of course.
Small or big, they were beautiful. So I asked auntie, तो बोले अरे रजनी don't hesitate, you take 2 bags with you. So I was like मैंने कार में लोड किया, वापस लेके आ गई. That time I didn't know, Seema, I didn't had it कि मैं कुछ कर भी पाऊंगी.
Correct.
But I know मुझे let go करने को मूड
मन
नहीं कर रहा
नहीं
था
था.
कि मन नहीं कर रहा था कि यार इतने अच्छे fabrics, I don't want to. I just got them out, and I like एक 1 month तक it was there, and I was just thinking about it, what can I do, what cannot. So like I started like segregating them depending on their texture and all. And then I just did so many products out of that.
Wow.
और जाकर के मैंने सोल संते में exhibition लगा
Oh,
दिया उसका.
wonderful.
And that was
Only with that, I
with
mean,
that,
oh, nice.
with that, and I started my journey.
Absolutely unplanned.
Yeah.
Lovely. MJ, you also have something very interesting, like, you know, 4 years into corporate, and I'm talking like what, 16, 17 years back.
Yeah.
I mean, it's all about, you know, having a secure job.
Yeah.
At that point of time, you were like, you know, you decided, nahi, ab ye nahi karna. I don't want to do this. I want to venture into something that is creative, that I'm passionate about, and also you wanted to build something of your own.
Yes.
So, you know, how did it come to you ki I am not going to do this desk job anymore? Was there a moment? Was it gradual, organic, or it was just this one experience or moment which said, no, this is not for me?
Something I always didn't like, someone is controlling me.
Okay.
कि boss की बात माननी है, and getting leaves, you know,
Right.
for your personal reasons, and you have to work at certain shift. I know पूरी दुनिया काम करती है, that 9 to 5 job, everyone has to do it because it is giving you your, earning your bread and butter.
Right.
But I always used to hate sitting at one place in front of the laptop and doing the same thing every time. Same thing, you are passionate, you are going to like it, you will
Right.
love it.
Right.
But doing it for somebody else was like, I was not liking it. So that was one thing. And of course, I like to travel a lot.
Got it.
तो मेरी जॉब में इतना ट्रैवल है कि पूछिए मत. आई ट्रैवल ऑल इंडिया टिल जयपुर, राजस्थान, even to Gangtok or complete South India. I travel, so that I like to know new people.
Got it.
And explore new places,
तो वो
food,
corporate में रह के तो हो नहीं
everything.
सकता।
तो मेरी जो है ये काम बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है. And that's how that keep me more motivated. Okay, अभी और भी destination wedding
है।
करेंगे, and that's fun in this job.
Right.
And also take a lot of toll for your health as well.
Absolutely, I agree.
But we love this job, so I like it.
Yeah. I mean, of course, this can be a little debatable or controversial because I've seen a lot of young people. Okay, this is not a question, that's just an observation that, there's so many videos out there, say, follow your passion. And, I've seen so many young people जो अपना job छोड़ देते हैं. Just a disclaimer here for everyone that, if you have to pay your bills, right, and if your family is dependent on you, do your passion as your side gig, right? I mean, पहले अपना bills भरो,
Perfect.
create a side gig, create a second line, and then when you're fully convinced, okay, now I can follow my passion, dive into it, because I have literally witnessed so many young people out there, they get so enamored by all these videos कि हाँ, I need to follow my passion, 9 to 5 job नहीं करना है. But just as you mentioned that if 9 to 5 is interesting, if it is fun, if it is giving you bread and butter, then go for it.
Perfect.
So each to its own.
Yep.
Right. So now this brings me to the next question. Sustainable, बहुत purposeful लगता है, it's very meaningful and all of that, but we know it has its own set of challenges, right? Like sourcing, pricing, scaling, it's not easy. There's so much that goes into it. So, how do you navigate through these challenges? Because I'm sure when you started, you were like interested, designing में मजा आ रहा है, I want to do all of this. But then at one point you felt, oh my God, it's not as easy as it seems, there's so much more. So what was that moment like, Rajni?
Frankly speaking, Seema, lot of time was there to give up also.
Right,
Like,
right.
Because when you just sit and contemplate ना, वो लगता है कि give up कर देते. कुछ sustainability के लिए कुछ और काम करते, फिर इसको fuel करते हैं.
Correct.
The way you told ना
Correct.
कि when I just took so many people with me, and even they were so passionate about it.
Right.
Seeing my like energy, seeing my like, because it's not easy, Seema, to segregate like small pieces to big pieces and the left. It's not easy, and then making design out of that regarding their color, their texture.
Takes
and
in a lot of work.
So lot of like housewomen who जो भी थी मेरे पास उस वक्त उनको मैं सिखाती थी. तो I think I have just taught 20-30 women in this work, and they are all like, we're so excited that they used to finish their work and come to me and work with me. So I think the whole journey that has kept me like to take, मैं कुछ और सोचती how to now like, so this year it's okay, now next year का क्या plan करते,
Correct.
what new products we can launch it so that we can get a little more revenue to run the main product. So here and there we have worked on so much, Seema. I think for me, my experimenting on that thing has gave me a lot of year, because initially I just started with saris and the jackets, because your saris and jackets have a very high value price, right? So then I worked upon the small value price so that we can just sell these small
So what's
things.
your most expensive product, Rajni?
So I think my saris and jackets are the most expensive.
And they're priced at?
So my when I just launched my Samsarga collection, which is based out of that jacquards and silks and all, that were like starting were like 7.5 till it goes to 15,000.
Okay, it's a
yeah. Not very much like, but way back then, if you think, if I tell somebody that it has come out from a leftover piece, it's not from a running, even I've paid it. But people had that thing in their mind that acceptance नहीं होता था कि oh, this is so that a small piece का बचा हुआ टुकड़ा she has put in, some patch she has done, because I have to make them understand
Correct.
कि what
वो
has
टुकड़ा भी तो कहीं से आ रहा है,
कैसे
that
आया
artisan
है,
will take
artisan
lot
ने
of time.
बनाया है, उस artisan को समझ नहीं आया, तो I took it from
Lot of
them.
effort.
हाँ, lot of effort was there. You can't imagine, see में effort बहुत ज़्यादा था. इससे easy था कि easier way ले लूँ.
Correct.
कि fresh piece लेके बना करके
Correct.
बेच दूँ और to convince my clients, to convince them कि okay this is the way, that's why it has to get small leftover pieces के हमने additions किए, tassels बनाए, surface ornamentation किए to give them a different look altogether. तो it has gone, but seeing those faces ना, वो excitement में जब मेरी वॉल वो वुमेन वो आती थी तो for them, and I tell you very frankly, कोविड वाला टाइम तो ऐसा था सीमा के थॉट आई थिंक पीपल वर कमिंग टू मी कि रजनी लीव इट नाउ.
Correct.
माय होप पीपल माय फ्रॉम
Yeah.
फैमिली एंड ऑल लीव इट. पर मैंने कहा नो, आई कैन लीव इट बिकॉज यू गाइज आर देयर फॉर मी.
Correct.
बट फॉर देम नोबडी इज
Wonderful.
देयर. So I think I will sustain for my sustainable work because of them.
Lovely.
So that has given me the things to, yeah.
Wonderful. You know, somewhere I feel the two of you align with a lot of purpose, because I think I've been for one of the workshop at your academy as well, and I could see a bunch of lovely women from different parts of the country. And I must tell you, Rajni, just as you know, you feel that I owe this to so many women out there. I think it was the same story with her, because it wasn't easy running that academy. I know, you know,
7 days.
Yeah, 7 days a week.
Yeah.
And you have to put in work literally every single day. But honestly, when I did that one session, and one amazing thing is she used to put in so much work that their mental peace is good, and you know, their personality development, how do you get leads? It was not just about the craft. And I could see girls and women cry. You know, they had some wonderful stories. So I've actually witnessed that. So I think you two are just the right people today for our Women's Day special, because you know, the theme for this year is also give to gain. So I think both of you are definitely, you know, making a living out of it, also, you know, passionate about it, but you're giving it. You know, I think at the end of the day, it's all about women empowering women. So kudos to two of you on this. Since I've known you personally, I know how beautiful this purpose is. Sustainable at the same time, you know, giving it back to the society and the women. So incredible. I think it's only when it's inclusive, when men and women work together, you can have a better society. So wonderful. But again, I have the same question for you, MJ. Your, again, makeup back then. Of course, it wasn't a conventional, you know, profession. And people think it's all flamboyant, it's glamorous, it's wonderful to be out there. But the challenges can be really, really insane, right? You know, there are these last minute changes that happen, and then there is someone coming and telling you, you know, interfering literally in your work, you know, do it this way. And then you have, mera bhi touch up kar do na. Like these little requests, which can sometimes be annoying, but you still have to hold your patience, do it with a smiling face. So how do you face those kind of challenges?
Talking about this, मुझे वो memes याद आ रहे जो makeup artist के memes बनाते हैं, and they'll be so rude. अरे, you know, I want everybody to, you know, get out of the room, all those
Yeah.
things. We can't say that.
We can't,
Memes तो funny रहते हैं, and I enjoy them watching. कि और छोटी-छोटी चीज़ें कि मम्मी आ रही है तो मतलब तुम कौन होती हो, चलो चलो निकलो. We can't say that. We have to like gently smile and, you know, request करना पड़ता है कि please, you know, we want some privacy. But I'm used to it. Even I can work if there are 20-25 people inside the room. I can work because I'm focused on my makeup thing.
Right.
And because of the practice and everything. These things, yeah, मतलब प्रॉब्लम करती है, आपका टाइम बहुत कंज्यूम होता है. So 2 hours makeup will take like 3 hours or 4 hours if there are more people, because there will be a lot of disturbance.
Right.
And you know, the person is moving here and there. मेकअप कर रहे तो you know, she is like talking to a friend, हाँ कैसी हैं आंटी. और कभी कभी तो मम्मी जी आ गई तो उठ के पैर भी छूने पड़ते हैं, फिर बातें कर रहे हो तो मेकअप में आपका that thing is, that chain is broken, our focus is broken and everything. Talking about the academy thing, yes, and you said for them you work. So when, you know, in academy there's a lot of students are coming from so far places.
Right.
You know, I have that responsibility to, you know, make their life, उनकी life मेरे हाथ में है.
Correct.
उनका career मेरे हाथ में है. And they have so much of, you know, this thing that yes, यहाँ पे आएंगे तो our life is going to be changed.
True.
But wherever you learn, there is something, the skill which you should also have within you.
Correct.
सो वो चीज़ उनको ये समझ नहीं होती कि हाँ ये भी स्किल है जो हमें सीखनी है. लॉट ऑफ पीपल थिंक हाँ यार मेकअप है ठीक है सीख लिया हम पैसे बना लेंगे, बट you know you have to be really passionate. It's not going to come without you need to have patience, you need to be very consistent or keep on doing such
Yeah, because
things.
now there are makeup artists literally, every lane has a makeup artist, right? So it's crazy competition.
दिल्ली में जाइए एवरी पर्सन इज अ मेकअप आर्टिस्ट और अ फैशन डिज़ाइनर. नेक्स्ट हो मेकअप आर्टिस्ट फिर फैशन डिज़ाइनर. ये बहुत कॉम्बिनेशन में चलता है. एंड यहाँ बैंगलोर में स्लोली दैट ट्रेंड इज ग्रोइंग. या इवन आई हैव स्टार्टेड अ ब्रांड कॉल्ड वैभवम विच इज़ अ क्लोथिंग ब्रांड. बनारसी brocade. That's why I was so interested to listen to learn, because एक साड़ी बनने में it takes so many weeks or sometime months. So people ऐसा फेंक देते उठा के. Recently डॉली जैन का काफ़ी चल रहा था that आप साड़ी बनाई हैं, people don't like it, they throw it away, right? But you don't see कितनी मेहनत जाती है उसके पीछे. खून पसीना means there is no electricity. पसीने में बना रहा
Days
है.
and sometimes months of
The
work, right?
artisan is preparing the sari, but you don't see how much effort is have put into
Correct.
that material,
Yeah.
right?
Oh, nice, interesting conversation, I must say, women. But I have been very passionate about what I do. So this question is something that I need to ask you, because somewhere, I also struggled with this. So when you're very passionate about something, you're very creative, you don't think about the commerce.
Right.
At least initially, this is the kind of mistake all of us make, right? Of course, now I know that money is very, very important. You may be passionate about something, you can be really creative in that zone, but if it is business, it better make money, right? It has to be sustainable, it has to be profitable, it has to be feasible. And just as you said, not just for you, because you can give up. Maybe you're in that position ki jahan lage ki no, I don't want to do it. But then there are so many other people dependent on you. There's so many other families dependent, right? So how did it happen for the two of you? When was that moment when you felt, you know what? No, it's not just about creativity. I better make this profitable, sustainable, and not just a creative brand, but a sustainable brand. So when did that happen?
So Seema, actually I'm a very creative person और मेरा सिर्फ एक ही तरफ था. Once I started, I never thought about, because once you come out from your institute, you never thought of like you will become an entrepreneur, or like initially I was doing freelancing, and then because there was no overheads. There were no overheads, nothing. So I was doing my work. So once when I wanted to start on my own and want to experiment on my creativity and all, then there were a lot of overheads. And then when I started exhibiting, and then exhibitions fees and then all, then so slowly I got in that, and then I had a lot of people working with me, and also every month their salary, and then the place which I've hired for that. So when I used to check, so sometime it will become like sustainable as of like we can
break
just
even हो जाता
break
था.
even हो
क्या
जाता
कभी-कभी
था.
ऐसा हुआ that you had to even shell out from your pocket?
Not really initially, but just when I started that time. But when you just feel like you should have also something in your pocket for your expense, or and because it's all going like you feel like you ne khola hai, and where you're just paying others.
Correct.
So that where I felt like, so then I have to like little brainstorm and all. So from that time I think wo collaboration has started, then influencers have come, like like cold calls kiya unko, messages kiye ki can you just, this is my new brand and all, and then message few of the online portals and all. So I just gave some of the samples to Jaipur and Ajio and all. So they loved my pieces. So because I think once you don't do those things, na, because I was like only one thing, I know how to make products, how to create it. Once that commercial aspect comes na, then दिमाग चलने लगता है कि अब कैसे करें. So then I approached those online portal that time कि खुद का portal बनाना was not that thing. So then I started giving my products in Jaipur and Ajio. So it was such a beautiful thing that Jaipur and Ajio made commercials for us.
Lovely.
They made proper DOS ka commercial, and they did shoots for us. We didn't do the shoots and all. So एक बोलती हूँ ना, मुझे हमेशा एक चीज़ लगता है सीमा, कोई भी चीज़ हो आपको एक स्टेप लेना पड़ता है. अगर उस चीज़ के बारे में आपने सोचा, then you have to take the first step, and I think then the doors open and all. For me that happened, and then I approached other stores like Levitate tha, and all these kind of stores. I approached them they like my pieces, they have kept it. कोई Whitefield का था, कोई जयनगर में था, कोई इस तरह approach, so that I started multiple channels of sell, like
Right.
my products, only not the exhibitions.
तो आपका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बढ़ गया.
डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैनल्स बढ़ने लगे. फिर दूसरे शहरों में भी आई स्टार्टेड, सो लाइक आई स्टार्टेड गिविंग इन गोवा एंड ऑल. सो आई थिंक वो कमर्शियल एस्पेक्ट का प्रेशर नहीं पड़ेगा ना सीमा, तो वो मुझे लगता है वो एक्सपेंशन भी नहीं
हो
होएगा.
पाएगा, true.
तो वो मुझे एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट मेरे जर्नी में लगा. तो
Wonderful, no? How creativity and passion can also teach you commerce.
Yes. Definitely it has taught me a lot.
Nice.
So this is the way I approached it. And till date I'm approaching that
True.
way only.
And there's
Yeah.
something to learn every
Every
single day.
single
yeah.
day, every single day. Yep.
I'm a commerce student, so I've been studying like accounts and everything
Yeah.
since my college. So I knew it. Expenses ये सब होते हैं. You need to have some money from the beginning.
Right.
And I've never been given a what we say pocket money. कभी pocket money कभी मेरे parents ने नहीं दिया है. Always I have to ask mom and dad. So that time was always like I should have my own money, you know. And when I started this, so my parents didn't give me. I was driving a car to go to tuition or college.
Right.
But while I started this, वो वो चीज़ थोड़ी सी नहीं मिलेगी. So मैंने बस में भी जाना सीख लिया था. Then I never traveled in like city bus. उसमें भी सीखा when I was going for job. So when this started, of course money तो एक था ही कि you need to earn
Right.
money. So when this thing started, I was like okay, only makeup ये तो इतना ही पैसा आ रहा है. I was doing everything by myself, like
Right.
me doing makeup, me going to the place, driving and going, and also I am doing the hair and also draping the sari. Okay,
Oh, okay.
everything together because I was young, I had a lot of energy.
Right.
But slowly, I was like, okay, I need somebody.
Correct.
I need a hairstylist. I need somebody to also take care of my calls,
Right.
everything. So धीरे धीरे okay, एक manager रखा जो calls देखे हर जगह. I hire artists like hair
Right.
artist
Right.
on project wise. So वो सब start हुआ. So paying them now भैया खर्चा और बढ़ गया भाई. I have to like expand.
Yeah.
So slowly हर साल every 2 years I used to change my studios. So studio became bigger and bigger. And I had one time a very big studio like in entire country.
Acha.
That I had so many students when you had come.
Yes,
Nobody
yes.
has like such big studios. Everyone
Yeah.
keep like ठीक है थोड़ा maybe 800 का होगा, not 1,000 plus square feet. So I had like 3,000 square feet.
Yeah.
So we had like different chambers भी आ गए, सबका अपना अपना रूम आ गया. अच्छा लग रहा है. अब वहाँ का rent,
That's
rent was एक हाथी पालने के बराबर था वो स्टूडियो.
Absolutely.
तो वो भी बहुत खर्चा आ रहा था. ठीक है, academy was there, it was paying all my bills, but again the profit thing.
Yeah.
And we still still struggle. अच्छा अभी profit कैसे हम बनाना है, क्योंकि बहुत खर्चा होता है being an artist. I think every makeup artist would know the products are so expensive. The traveling is so expensive.
I'm sure all the makeup artists
And-
listening to this will be very happy. Someone's voicing our concern.
Right. And then clients asking कि भैया discount दे दो, तो यहाँ दर्द होता है. अरे यार, you're asking for discount, so that is another problem. So we try to tell them, अरे we pay our taxes, everything. There's so much of खर्चा.
Yeah.
How can we like increase the profit? कैसे भैया कैसे बढ़ाए? Okay, we started more classes like professional person grooming. मतलब आप जैसे भी आके अपना मेकअप, अपना
सकते हैं.
फाउंडेशन शेड सीख लो, क्या है करेक्शन कैसे करना है. सो इट्स नॉट ओनली लर्निंग अबाउट योर पर्सनल मेकअप बट ऑल्सो एंटायर पर्सनैलिटी आप ग्रूम कर सकते हो अपनी. We don't only talk about makeup, we talk about wellness also, and we talk about skincare as well. I think a great makeup works with a good skin. So skin comes the first and then makeup. नहीं तो मैं कुछ भी करूँ, I can't change you. So I like to keep the person like look by themselves. So now I have started one more thing, which is the clothing brand.
Right.
Because I know in my 50s or 60s, I will not be standing for a longer time and do makeup.
I know. It comes with a lot of physical pressure, right?
Yes. I'm having a back pain, right?
Yeah.
So it comes and goes.
Right.
And when I went to doctor said you have to live with it.
It's a part of your job.
You have to. इसका कोई solution नहीं, कोई दवाई नहीं है, and I can't eat painkillers all the time.
Right.
The only thing is rest.
Correct.
And the very worst part is I have to wake up early mornings. 3 a.m., 2
Right,
a.m. sometimes. South India में जो शादियाँ होती है, that happens early morning.
Early morning,
In
right.
North India, it's midnight, so you start makeup afternoon.
Right.
But मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ कि जो बोलते easy है, but the South Indian makeup for a bride is more difficult.
Yeah.
Because the difficult part is waking up in the morning. And you have to pleat the sari, you have to do so many things. So I have to hire a professional sari drapist for that, who is like very good in that. That is another expense जो साड़ी के लिए देना पड़ता है, जो clients को नहीं समझ में आता है. But some clients are aware about it.
Oh my God, see, there's so much behind the scene, right? So ये BTS लोगों को दिखता नहीं है, but yeah, so whoever's listening, all our audience, there is a lot that goes in. It's not just creativity and passion, immense hard work.
And अपना अकाउंट संभालना एक अलग ही काम है. तो अभी तो नहीं, बट फ्यूचर में भगवान करे अकाउंटेंट भी हो, सब कुछ हो. With the new brand, it's called Vaibhavam. So it's sari and jackets. हम भी jackets बना रहे, curating like jackets. Maybe I will take some lessons from you. And now we have met. Maybe we can collab or something. So yeah.
Gain
And
to give.
स्क्रैच की बात आई तो वो जो स्क्रैप से बेल्ट्स, बैग्स, बहुत सारी चीजें बनाई जा सकती है. It's again the sustainable thing.
Lovely, you know, like it's not that you're a makeup artist, but there are so many other streams of income, right? So I think today everyone does this, right? It's not just that, you know, you look at one stream of income. People are looking, okay, I'm doing this, what can I do? Which aligns with, you know, the same creativity or business. Say, for example, when I come to Ado's Homes, that's again a very interesting story, Rajni, that Ado's fashion was there. But I think I know this story where you mentioned once that your husband bought this really beautiful house and he said, you know what, I do not have the money for interiors, right? I do not have the budget. So figure it out.
Yes.
And that's when you started, you know, styling and designing your own place. It suddenly became into this full-fledged interior design business. So with sustainable fashion, now you had these beautiful, gorgeous homes. How did that happen, Rajni?
Designing was me actually. I love aesthetics. I used to like all this, and I had that. I don't know, from the very beginning, from my childhood, I had that eye, like, so I was living in a very small place, as I have told you. There was nothing for that, and I had that Angan ka ghar.
Acha, oh wow.
Angan ka ghar, and there were a lot of plants my dadaji used to love. So he made me learn all these
so
chota
gardening
things.
was there,
Gardening was there. He made me learn all those things. So I don't know how, like my mom, I've seen she used to do a lot of DIYs, like कि जो bulbs खराब हो जाते थे ना, तो उसको scrap करके उसका part निकाल के she used to make like holding water bottles, like she used to tangofy in the like मेरे verandas में with those money plant.
हाँ, वही लग रहे थे, the jeans.
So we used to pluck those money plant ka because they have roots na. So my mom used to put those money plants and full veranda में वो hanging होते थे. And I've seen her पुराने जो पहले आते थे ना रिकॉर्ड प्लेयर्स, तो कुछ रिकॉर्ड प्लेयर्स खराब हो जाते थे, यू नो, घिस जाते थे थोड़े, तो मॉम यूज्ड टू पुट देम इन अ हॉट वाटर एंड देन मेक vases out of it. Oh, she used to do what not. So I've seen her doing and I used to be together with her a lot of time doing all those, and तो वो धीरे धीरे it has carried that thing with me. And when I did my house, like I was in my own house when I married my Preet, and then so मैं जब तक सीमा खुद के घर पे भी नहीं थी ना, मैं रेंटेड फ्लैट में भी थी, तो भी पीपल आते थे तो बोलते ये तुम्हारा खुद का घर है क्या, बिकॉज यू हैव केप्ट द हाउस सो वेल दैट इट डजंट मेक मी फील कि ये किसी का और का घर है, बिकॉज पीपल हैड दैट कि नहीं ये नहीं लगाते तो रेंटेड फ्लैट में रहते हम क्यों करें या क्या करें. तो मैं एस्थेटिकली बहुत अच्छे से रखती थी, तो पीपल gave me all those beautiful compliments and
I
all.
think I can vouch for this because मैंने आपके दोनों घर देखे हैं.
हाँ.
I've seen your
Yeah.
old house, how beautiful, and new one. तो I really feel रजनी आपको टिकट रखना चाहिए म्यूजियम की तरह कि आओ, please come and visit my house. It's gorgeous.
Thank you so much, Seema. It's so nice. जब मैंने खुद का घर बनाया तो मैंने अपने हस्बैंड प्रीत से पूछा कि प्लीज गिव मी द बजट. इट्स अ ह्यूज हाउस.
Yeah.
तो बोलता है नो बजट. सब पर मुझे था कि कुछ तो करना है यार. सो आई took it up and then जो मेरे relatives आते थे वो बोलते थे क्यों नहीं तुमने एक प्रॉपर इंटीरियर डिजाइनर को रखा, इतना बड़ा घर है ना. बट ही लाइक क्या बोले उनको, उनके पर तो बोल नहीं सकता इनसाइड स्टोरीज दैट कि मैंने पूरे घर में ही लगाया. आई डोंट हैव दैट बजट.
It's a huge house, yeah.
So thankfully he like thought कि नहीं Rajni will do it.
Do it, हाँ.
So when I did this house and one fine day, I think after doing this house 2 years after, one guest came, like he's a distant relative to us, and I was eventually accidentally I will say कि मैं उस दिन थी घर पे.
अच्छा.
वो मेरा जल्दी ऑफिस का काम हो गया था ना. I came back. So the moment I entered the house is like wow, and then like he's telling me all those. So I am also getting my house done. So can you be my designer? So, but he told me that I have already hired an interior designer. मैंने कहा how can it be possible? You have already hired, and how? Well, don't worry about it. But now I want to do it with you only.
Right.
And I was like somebody so confident, and also I thought let's take it up. So I did that 3 BHK house, and from there the outside world came. Like कि मैं दूसरों का घर करना शुरू की, and then small projects I got for furnishing, styling, and all. Then last year I got a new studio was coming, full furniture studio was coming.
Right.
They approached me for their styling, the interior styling of the full, and then lot of things were coming up. So I was like, ऐसे तो कुछ नहीं होगा. There was something in there. Obviously. So I think why not I should take it like official that I make a brand now. Right. And then I should like plunge in this. So that is the whole story. Awesome. That I didn't want it, but the way I
दोनों
did,
ही unplanned
yeah,
था.
yes.
I
I think when you are like passionate, universe आपका रास्ता अपने आप खोलता जाता है, and opportunities keep coming in.
Yeah.
It's about you recognizing it.
Yeah. So मुझे लगता है कि सीमा मैं जितना एक्सपेरिमेंटल हूँ ना, मुझे लगता है उसकी वजह से I tried doing different things.
Right.
For me, I think this is the only works I think.
I think that's a big message for everyone out there. Be curious.
Yeah.
And go out and try it.
Yes.
Yeah. So that you
धुन
don't
होनी
have regrets.
चाहिए, वो करते रहना चाहिए.
Exactly. चुल होनी चाहिए. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा fail ही होंगे. Yeah, it's
It's
an
okay.
experience and
You
yeah,
can
no
start
regret.
again from the scratch.
Yeah. Oh my God, how much I'm enjoying this conversation. ऐसे लग रहा है
Oh, really?
I'm sitting with some really fun, like-minded women. It really feels nice. And you can see, all these people are, my entire crew is men. So I'm sure they'll also take some pieces of note from there, from here for their mothers and sisters. So I really want all the men and women to watch this episode for sure. Coming to this question, because ये मेरे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. A lot of women, this is one question. They have a lot of ideas. I want to do this, I want to do that, but they're scared. And they're scared to take that first step. So what would you want to tell them? Anything, whatever you feel, it just comes to your mind. You have an idea, this is the first thing you should be doing. What would it be?
I will just tell you quick one. So I deal with women lately, like
Right.
so many women I meet, and even like my clients, the brides are all in women, right?
Right.
Women all around me. So I meet all different kinds of people, all different kinds of ladies. They are like doing something nice, and some have not even started, some are still thinking.
Correct.
So when I see my personal grooming students who come just learn personal makeup, late like 40s, ladies, age of 40, 50s, they come generally.
Wow.
Because they have low in confidence. They have like worked before and they had kids, they had to like quit their job और उसके बाद में वो अपना family संभाल रही है सब कुछ, मतलब you have just sacrificed everything and they're not looking up to themselves.
True.
Not grooming.
Yeah.
So that's why the confidence is low, and then that's how they come to this workshop. So first I have to like give them lot of motivation. Ki whatever you want to start, you just start it off. Don't think. Because you already have a supportive family. You have given so many years to your family. Just start it off. Kids like in Gen Zs, they are very nice. They're fun loving.
I really like this, when you say kids, Gen Z are nice and fun loving, because there's so many memes out there. And I somehow resonate, and I really believe that Gen Z are smart, are intelligent
They are
people.
smart.
They just need direction sometimes.
I think they're creative also.
They're very creative.
बट बस थोड़ी चाबी
Tweaking
भरनी
चाहिए।
पड़ती है उनको बिकॉज लाइक माई मैनेजर इज ऑल्सो द सेम एज
अच्छा।
सो एवरीथिंग इज नाइस
Yeah.
they will complete their work, everything is good, very honest.
Yeah.
I have not seen anybody like dishonesting
Correct.
anything और पीछे से आपको चाकू
Sabotage
भून रहे और
करना,
ये
हाँ,
कर रहे, ये सब मैंने नहीं देखा
देखा
है.
है।
This I have seen at age of my level.
Correct.
My level कि जैसे आर्टिस्ट जैसे कोई है, jealousy, ego clashes lot. I've seen a lot. Worked with multiple artists.
Oh, yeah?
Then these thing clashes. But I've always been supporting. But वो jealousy और ये सब
आ
होता
जाता
ही है. So these things women also face.
True.
At the same time, I think women को support करना चाहिए. Jealousy हटा देना चाहिए. And if we start like understanding each other, I think we can like win the world.
Absolutely.
ट्रम्प की जगह लेडी ही रहेगी. बट ये प्रॉब्लम है, women आपस में ज़्यादा लड़ती हैं. So I think they should be more supportive.
Do you think it's more about collaboration than competition these days?
Yes.
Yeah? Collaboration
Yes.
is the word, right?
I think everyone have a right to grow, everybody.
Yeah, absolutely.
And if someone is growing, be happy, not like, oh,
Yeah,
तुम
yeah.
कैसे.
I think सबके लिए space भी है grow होने के लिए.
Very
There-
true, very
yeah.
true.
I think there's lot of market, lot
Yeah.
of opportunities. So every lady, अगर they're thinking they want their own money, I think they should get out of their house and work whatever you get. और
Yeah.
कोई भी काम छोटा बड़ा नहीं
नहीं
है,
होता,
जो भी काम मिले, just do it, just go ahead.
So I will just add to MJ what she has told कि I think there is a communication gap also. Means लोग
Correct.
communicate नहीं करते, उसको करना क्या है basically.
You know, ये एक आई थिंक कॉन्फिडेंस की कमी है. और कॉन्फिडेंस कहीं ना कहीं जैसे आप अपने आप को दिखा रहे हो उससे भी आता है. आई थिंक यू शुड बी presentable.
True, true.
I think beauty is given by mom and dad.
Yes.
अब कोई beauty नहीं है, वो कोई problem नहीं है in
I
this
think everyone's
generation.
beautiful. It's just
Yeah,
about
it's
you
about
groom
your
yourself
perspective
and
and
Grooming,
yeah,
that's all.
Grooming is
Yeah,
very
yeah.
important. Yeah.
और ये oh my god, I want to talk about Gora and Kala thing. Okay.
Ask me, a real victim of this.
अरे some brides ना उनकी मॉम, अरे मेरी बेटी को थोड़ा और गोरा बना दीजिए. अरे यार ऐसे थोड़ी ना कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा. She should be confident in her own skin.
Yes,
Whatever
very
you are, I think you're groomed, you're clean, you're tidy. I think that's your confidence and smile. And education is very important
yeah,
for all
very
the women. चाहे कुछ भी हो, अपना एजुकेशन पूरा करना चाहिए.
I think just as you said, exposure ज़रूरी है, skill ज़रूरी है, and I think those ads are banned also, you know, where people used to have fair and lovely
Fair
and
and lovely
job
and
मिल गया. I think that is.
That ad should be banned and now they've
I think
stopped
it's
doing
banned.
it.
Yeah, big
stopped doing
time.
it.
Now people know this for the fact काले गोरे से कुछ नहीं होता. It's skill, grooming, how you present and
Absolutely,
confidence.
absolutely.
And I think confidence is also something that can be learnt. It's not a skill
Not
that
skill.
Priyanka Chopra very beautifully
Yeah,
says this, you know,
yeah,
that
your confidence.
confidence is a skill. It is not that, you know, कोई अपने माँ के पेट से सीख के आता है. It is something that you can develop over a period of years, and I think we are all products of that.
So Seema MJ, I'll tell you, I'm just 4'11" and a half. My height. So for that I felt लगता था मुझे इतने छोटे height में मतलब नहीं कुछ कर पाऊंगी. मुझे ऐसा
Really? So you had that thought,
that
अच्छा.
thing. I was like कि this short height people will not approve me because see I can't play sports. Most of the sports मैं हर स्पोर्ट्स में पार्टिसिपेट करती थी स्कूल में बिकॉज ऑफ माई हाइट. डेफिनेटली आई यूज्ड टू आई विल 3 या 4 में क्वालिफाई हार्डली होंगी और सब में रिजेक्ट बिकॉज ऑफ माई हाइट हो जाती थी.
okay.
तो आई थॉट एक टाइम था जब मुझे लगता था कि हाइट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, पर मैं कुछ तो कर नहीं सकती हाइट का. तो वो तो उसके लिए तो मुझे, बट यू नो वो हाइट को मैंने अपनी वीकनेस को छोड़ा, अपनी स्ट्रेंथ क्या है उस पर वर्क
Focus
किया,
किया.
मैंने फोकस किया, एंड दैट हैज helped me a lot. Today what I am just because of that कि मेरा जो strength था ना उस पे मैंने work किया, ना कि मैंने ये सोचा
Flaws
कि मैं छोटी हूँ तो मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ. तो that has also
Thanks for bringing that point
Yes.
out, Rajni, because I think every women, you know, mostly I see that a lot of girls and women, of course, it's not gender specific, but still there are a lot of girls and women जो they give so much onus to how they look. I'm fat, I'm thin, I'm fair, you know, there's so much, right? So people उसकी वजह से confidence lose कर देते हैं. Say, okay, I can't can't do this. So somewhere work on your skills and strength, and let the flaws be.
Yeah.
So there's a very beautiful quote which says, "Flawsome is awesome." So you
Yes.
can even be awesome with all your flaws.
Yes. Don't check your waist size. Let it grow. It's fine.
Okay, this was a real nice conversation. Now, if you had to give, this is again for the two of you, a piece of advice to all women, financial advice, because we've always seen that women are smart, they're passionate, they do their business well, but when it comes to major decisions, it can be anything, say buying a house or a car, or और वो सब कुछ कर लेते हैं अपने से, पूरा घर मैनेज हो
सब कुछ
जाता
कर
है,
सकते
they literally do everything, but any big financial decision, sometimes they're not aware of मैं अपना टैक्स कितना फाइल कर रही हूँ. Women are
Right,
not aware.
very
They make sure they take help. See, taking help is okay, but don't you think it's important for them to be aware about all of this when they can manage
Absolutely.
this? So any piece of advice you want to give on this Women's Day to all the women की financial awareness रखो, it's important.
See, I'm from a creative background,
Right.
तो मुझे accounts, taxation किसी के बारे में भी कुछ पता नहीं है. But you won't believe it, मेरा जो ये inquisitiveness है ना, कि मुझे सब कुछ जानने का है, because anything can happen any day. And if
Right.
I'm not aware of it, which is very important, yaar. So I sit with my husband, I sit with my brother, whoever is good at what, I sit with them, I just talk about that subject and I get the clarity about this subject. Random talks about all these things, कि which investment you are doing, which stock you're buying. कुछ आइडिया नहीं है मुझे. आई एम नॉट निल अबाउट इट, बट दैट इंक्विजिटर की मुझे जानना है. व्हाट इज लाइक आई वांट टू बी अवेयर ऑफ, लाइक क्या हो रहा है, क्या चल रहा है, गोल्ड क्या चल रहा है, मतलब एवरीथिंग. और मेरे को ये लगता है कि अभी अच्छा SIP में होना है कि म्यूचुअल फंड में होना है. पहले आई वाज डूइंग इन FD, पर मुझे लगा FD इतना रिटर्न नहीं देता है, देन क्या. तो आई जस्ट टॉक टू ऑल दिस. आई टॉक टू पीपल हु आर गुड एट, and then I take their advice and take their वो.
Learning की तो कोई उम्र नहीं
होती है. तो पहले मुझे सब बहुत बोरिंग लगता था सीमा, ट्रूली स्पीकिंग मुझे बहुत बोरिंग लगता था. मुझे लगता है ये सिर्फ क्लर्कियल जॉब्स है, बट जैसे जैसे आई ग्रू अप एंड आई जस्ट डिड माई ओन थिंग्स एंड ऑल, मुझे लगा नहीं, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफ. एवरी वुमन शुड नो अबाउट दिस. एवरी वुमन शुड नो अबाउट इट. आप सीखो. आजकल तो इंटरनेट पे इतना कुछ अवेलेबल है, क्लासेस ऑनलाइन होती है, पर ये एक मुझे ऐसा लगता है ये चीज़ बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट, एक इम्पोर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट है जिसको हर इंसान को जानना चाहिए.
That's true.
That's my advice. Yeah.
I would add the same thing. I think mutual funds are very good. SIP and mutual funds, which I've learned from past 7 years.
Right.
Yeah. So yeah, it will give you lot of profit.
Yeah.
तो ये मैं अपने employees, अपने जो भी मेरे आसपास है, everybody I tell them please invest something. Savings are very important thing. We spend आराम से यूँ 10,000 तो यूँ चले जाते हैं, 20,000 यूँ हमने खर्चा कर दिया. We can just save at least 5,000 भी अगर आप महीने में सेविंग करते रहेंगे, आपके पास by the end of the year you will have a good amount of money. Because when you have problems, nobody comes to help.
Very true. Yeah.
So you should have your own money so that you can sustain.
very true.
So this, I think the same thing. I think savings should be done from the whenever you start earning, immediately आप saving करना start करो.
So savings and investment is the thing for all the women out there. So women, you haven't started, this is the right time, because there's no right time to start it. Yeah. Awesome. I think it's a very, very interesting conversation, and very honestly, I can just go on and on because women means happiness. So this conversation can just go on, but due to paucity of time, I think we will have to dive into our next segment. So it is the rapid fire, where the questions will be fun. I mean, rather rapid, and your answers should be fun. So, are you ready for it?
So, Seema, is there any hamper for this?
Of course, of course. Yeah, we love spoiling our guests, so don't worry about it. You have a big hamper coming your way.
Oh, great.
Yeah?
Okay, cool.
All right, women. So, can we dive into the rapid fire?
Yes.
All right. So, the questions are same for the two of you. We start with Rajni, and you can answer the same question.
Okay.
MJ. All right. The weirdest client request you've ever received?
To make a dog's outfit.
Oh, okay.
It was like she wanted, something like a Pinterest image, and that was like not at all possible because unka skin or color, everything different. So it's like weirdest for me.
A skill your job forced you to learn that you never signed up for?
commercial aspect, I didn't know that I have to do so much because it's very important.
True.
Yeah.
I think making real social media,
Ah.
we never thought of.
Yes,
Yeah,
that
this
we
will
didn't
come
see.
because when
Yeah.
started Instagram start hua tha,
Yes,
Right.
and
yes.
I had to learn how to make reels,
Right.
edit everything. Now I have a team though, Bhagwan. Yeah.
The biggest myth people believe about your profession.
कि हम बहुत ही ग्लैमरस काम करते हैं तो ग्लैमरस ही रहते होंगे हर टाइम बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी आर इन पजामास व्हेन वी आर डूइंग वर्क
Yeah, same thing. People think it's a glam world, but actually it is like you have lot of time is important, and also the hygiene, sanitization.
Right.
That's more important. Yeah.
Okay. A mistake that felt disastrous then, but now it's funny.
So once I have to deliver one outfit for a customer, so वो थोड़ा कहीं से goof up हो गया, कुछ ironing में जल गया, कुछ हो गया, तो we just made extra work for surface alimentation किया और भेज दिया, and she giving my compliment, wow Rajni didn't ask for that extra thing, and you gave me that extra beautiful surface alimentation. Yeah, अब मैं जब भी सोचती हूँ तो मुझे लगता है कि वो
Nice.
Yeah, so मैं बातें करते करते प्राइमर लगाना भूल गई.
Okay.
And the makeup stayed. I was like, okay,
Good job.
good.
One habit you've picked up because of your job that annoys people around you.
I'm very on point. I'm very like organized and details पे बहुत ज़्यादा work करती हूँ. That annoys people actually.
Yeah? Okay.
I don't spend much time with my family because of the work. That annoys everybody because of my work. So चाहे दिवाली है, होली है, whatever, not able to spend much time because of the work.
Right.
Yeah.
They have the right to. If you had to ban one thing from your industry forever, what would it be?
Synthetic material.
I think I would ban this asking for a natural glam makeup, but this sentence is like need lot of therapy.
Yeah, natural but glam.
Yeah.
A compliment that hits harder than this looks nice.
So see, most of the time people used to tell बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत ही अच्छा बनाया है and all. फिर the moment they tell this and ये तो हम भी बना सकते हैं.
When somebody, I've done makeup, everything, and when after the makeup payment आ गई वो सब ठीक है, but the complimenting makeup was very nice. That is more important. And जब mom and dad आके बोलते हैं, family पूरा परिवार आके बोलता है, it's nice. That is more
hits
nice.
harder.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. One design or creative belief you've completely challenged or changed in your field.
Working on sustainability with the leftover fabric
Yeah.
is like way back then nobody was doing it.
Right.
Seema. And with so much of, I've just given a very twist that people are wearing it for their day weddings. They're wearing for day weddings.
Wow.
That was such a incredible like
जो कोई नहीं
कोई
करता था.
करता
True,
नहीं था.
true.
The jackets and all, they're wearing it for their like off time, like you know the weddings में जब
Lovely.
उनका so वो change लाना इतने time बाद it's like such a thing for me
Refreshing,
actually. Yeah.
true.
I think I keep my brides very calm and composed and confident.
Right.
So they would always remember the piece, not the pigment.
Oh, nice. The messiest part of your work that people never see.
Sorting of our the leftover fabrics
yeah.
is like such a thing. When we do
massive
it takes 2-3 days.
Oh, yeah?
Like yeah. So,
Okay.
I think waking up early morning and traveling and lifting so much of heavy weights, bags. So, yeah, that's the
True.
messy part.
One trend you personally feel is overrated, but clients still ask for it.
I think fast fashion, I will say, because I am a very classy person, Seema. Like I don't go with trends actually. So for me, when lot of clients have come and they've told, कुछ मुझे मनीष मल्होत्रा जैसे मिलेगा क्या आपके पास? So that was like कि people still have that thing कि glitch glam is only fashion.
Fashion, yeah.
So that has like
True.
Same thing. Pinterest का photo दिखाया. So that is like, please,
ये नहीं होगा.
no.
Got it. One mindset shift you're proud of bringing into your profession.
with sustainability, how we can bring into commercial aspect.
The profitability.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
The makeup it should look like expensive in person, but not loud on camera.
Oh, nice. One thing you're quietly proud of changing in your industry without making noise about it.
I'm working with leftovers.
Yeah.
And making beautiful products out of it.
Lovely.
I would say you are more calm and composed, and the money which you're paying, that's all worth it.
One trend you refuse to do, no matter how popular it gets.
Being trendy, what's on trend, I never follow that.
It's more about classy.
Yes.
Dancing on the reels.
Right.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
The biggest misconception people have about the industry.
That everything is very rosy. It's all, but a lot of hard work is there. Like
Right.
Like everybody thinks it's very glam, but there's a lot of hard work, timing,
Yeah.
and everything organized
Lot of
out.
effort.
Yeah.
One thing people think is talent, but actually discipline.
anybody can be talented, but if they don't give up, like give it a chance, it cannot happen. So Seema, for me, discipline is important.
It's consistency.
Consistency is very
Yeah.
important.
So I think it's consistency.
Yep.
Talent is cute, but you have to be consistent. तभी आगे बढ़ोगे.
True. One standard you refuse to compromise on, even if it costs you your work.
My finishing, my minute detailings.
Devil is in the details.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I think giving discounts. I would never do that and compromise on my work.
Right.
So that gives me like, no, I can't do that. So no heavy discounts.
One habit that changed everything in how you work.
Mine experimenting, I think. I love experimenting. So that has helped me a lot. Yeah.
So I keep on creating things and try to improvise my quality of work.
So it's all upgradation.
Yeah, always. Yeah.
Awesome. A decision that felt risky at that time, but ended up defining your career.
When I thought of working with the leftovers, many of people were like against of me. What are you doing with this?
I think saying no to the wrong clients was a good thing, which has got me right clients.
Oh, lovely. So
Yeah.
saying no is a very important
Yeah.
thing. Awesome. One thing every client actually needs, but most of them ignore.
They all love quality, but they compromise over the price.
Price. Yeah.
I think the trials, generally there are so-called some big named artists who say they don't give trials. But actually it's very important, don't fall for it. So go for the trials, make it trials.
The biggest difference between someone who is good at what they do and someone who is truly great.
So those who do it like consistently, I think consistency make them great. And if they are good, like they will like leave it for some time, or like they will not be that
They may give up
May give
and
up,
then,
and so I think that makes them great.
Consistency is
Yeah.
I think a good artist would do a good makeup, of course, but a great artist would manage the entire room.
One myth in your industry you wish would disappear forever.
That fashion industry is like more of glam. That should not be. Every work has its own thing. Like we have entire like mess of work which is not shown
Visible,
yeah.
I think asking for the natural glam makeup and saying I don't want not cakey makeup, so I want to like.
Okay, one piece of advice if you want to give all the women out there who would want to start something.
So for me, like if you want to start something, like you first give it a try. For sometimes some people like before giving it a try only they feel like मुझसे नहीं होएगा. मैं बोलती हूँ fail हो जाओ, पर try जरूर करो life में. बिकॉज़ try करने से जो kick लगता है ना, वो शायद success होने से भी नहीं लगता है. बस try करना चाहिए हर इंसान को. मुझे यही लगता है सीमा.
I think just get out of the home and do whatever you want to do. Go for interviews, whatever your skill, whatever you have studied, just go ahead and do it. And every day, plan your day. Don't sit in front of the TV on the couch and start like watching the daily soaps. Go out and just start meeting people. Go for a shop. For shopping maybe, or for a coffee. And जिस तरह से हम यहाँ बैठे ऐसे चाय पे चर्चा करिए and think and keep thinking, be creative. मुश्किल है, but it's not impossible.
True that.
One step at a time. Like
Just take that
go
first
ahead
one
and
step.
do it. There are a lot of health issues for women आते हैं, but I think we need to work on the health. Health is very important.
And despite
women,
that,
they
you-
don't pay attention on their health. So that is first
Very
thing.
true, very true.
All right, women, thank you so much. One last question, what is that one thing that drives you to work every single day?
Money, of course.
I love that. Money is the kick, people. All right.
The end of the day, you see the bank account
Yeah,
credited.
definitely.
You
वो सारा
receive
pressure चला जाता है, fizzles
XXX
out.
money. Okay, let's do more.
I can't agree more, MJ.
So I feel that when you go for your work now itself, it's like for me, it's a challenge itself. It's like, and then money always follow
Yeah,
that. What
yeah.
I feel like.
Money
So
follows
for
करने
me,
का.
like going for the work excites.
You know, honestly,
yeah.
when I have a difficult
Yeah.
client, what
Yeah.
I think is charge a little more. And I'm okay. So thank you,
Yeah.
women. This was a
Yeah.
wonderful, wonderful conversation. Honestly, I thoroughly enjoyed it. I've done so many podcasts, but this one felt like, you know, a heart-to-heart conversation. So thank you so much. You took this time out of your really, busy schedule, because I think I get to talk to you like once in 6 months. And yeah, MJ is always out there finding it difficult to make reels, but still going out there and making. So to all of you out there, go follow their work. They're doing some incredible work. And to all the women out there, I just want to say that, you know, they also started from scratch. And it's not easy if you want to pursue what you want to do. But again, just as both of them mentioned, it's not impossible. So let's go out there, and a happy Women's Day to all of you today and every single day of the year. Thank you, everyone. And of course, let me know in the comments, whom do you want to see in our next podcast. Thank you.